Hello everyone, welcome back to the Digital Tutors. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 brand new features Canva has rolled out. These features are here to make your designing experience smoother, faster, and more fun. So let's dive right in. First up is a highly requested feature, dynamic page numbers. Canva finally lets you add page numbers, and this feature is available to both free and pro users. Let me show you how it works. Go to the text section on the left panel. You'll see the option for page numbers right here. Let's click on it. Now, you have 3 formatting options to choose from. First, numbers only. It's just simple numbers like 1, 2, 3. Second, page plus number. For example, page 1, page 2. And third one is page X of Y, like page 1 of 25. I'll stick with the numbers only. Now, let's explore the settings. You can choose to show numbers on all pages or exclude some. For instance, if your first page is a cover, you can untick it. But remember, page 2 will still be labeled as page 2, even if page 1 doesn't have a number. You can customize the font, size, color, and even add effects. For example, let's make the text bold, give it background, and make it big. Now, to apply this style across all pages, just click on Apply to all pages. Pretty cool, right? Another great thing about dynamic page numbers is they're dynamic. Add a new page, and the numbering adjusts automatically. No manual updates needed. Next, we have polls and quizzes, a fun way to engage your audience. Perfect for live sessions, webinars, classrooms, or even YouTube live streams. Let me show you how to create one. Go to Elements and scroll down to find the polls and quizzes section. Now, click on See All to explore designs for polls and quizzes. I'm picking a quiz template. Let's customize it. I'll create a quick quiz. What does the background remover tool in Canva do? And I will add 4 options. You can add more choices if you want, 3, 4, 5, or even more. It's up to you. Once you add all options, you can mark the correct answer by clicking on it. You can also rearrange or add new options. Once done, share your quiz by creating a public link or generating a QR code. Click Share and create link by selecting Public View Link. Or choose QR code option and generate QR code. You can share it on social media platforms or anywhere else. Participants can either scan the code or click the link to respond directly. Afterward, check responses under the Responses tab to see how your audience answered. Super useful, right? Polls work similarly. Go to Element, then Polls, and select the one you like. Let's create one asking, how often do you use Canva? Then give options. Now let's create a link. Open it in browser and let's vote. Once your audience votes, you can see real-time results under the Responses tab. Polls are perfect for getting quick feedback or engaging participants during live sessions. Now, the star of this update, automatic captions. Canva now generates captions for your videos. Here's how it works. Important to note that captions will work, at least for now, in only 2 document types, social media and videos. Let's create a video. Once you've uploaded your video, select your video and go to the Text tab and click on Captions. Then, hit Generate Captions. In seconds, your captions will appear on your video. Hello everyone! Are you ready to unleash your creativity with Canva? We are super excited to announce our brand new course, Mastering Graphic Design with Canva by the Digital Tutors. Review the captions for any mistakes. For example, if there is some mistake, simply click on the text and fix it. You can also reposition captions to a different spot on the video, and all captions will align automatically. Want to remove or edit multiple captions? Head to the Captions panel for full control. Make your captions visually appealing by customizing fonts, colors, and sizes. This is especially useful for matching captions to your video's theme or brand. Pro users can even use branded fonts for that extra polish. You can also animate your captions. For vertical videos, try effects like pop or stomp. It's a simple way to make your content stand out. Canva made this feature free for everyone. However, if you want to use branded fonts, you'll need a pro account. Another new update in Video Editor is you have new animation effects for an image. It works for photos only. You get brush, ink, digital, spray paint, sketch, and gradient effect. Try these cool animation effects for your future designs. The next one is for Canva Docs. Canva Docs just got a lot more flexible with the addition of customizable columns. Here's how it works. To add columns, click anywhere on your document until you see the plus button. Click it and scroll down to find the columns option. You'll see several column layout choices, such as 2, 3, or even 4 columns. We select 3 columns. After adding your columns, you can easily adjust height and width of all columns. Or you can adjust width of a single column as well. You can change the background color of each column. Select a column, then click on the color button to pick a color. You can do this for all columns to maintain a consistent look or mix and match colors for variety. Instead of just individual columns, you can also change the background color of the entire section that holds the columns. Simply click on the white area surrounding the columns to apply a color to that part of the document. You can add an image or graphics in the column. Drag and drop it into any column. You can also resize the image within the column. If you want to align your visual, you can click on it and choose left, right, or center alignment for a neat layout. You'll see a handle to drag or shift column to left or right. This makes it easy to create the perfect layout for your document. You can tweak the spacing inside each column by adding more padding or reducing the space between columns using the column spacing option. With these new flexible column options, Canva Docs makes it much easier to create more dynamic, visually appealing documents. These are few highlights of Droptober updates. Canva keeps evolving, and I'll be here to keep you updated. Try these features and let me know your favorite. Don't forget to give a 5-star review if you really like this course. Until next time, happy designing!